Have you ever tried to simulate key presses in your program, only to find that it doesn't work as expected? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with key press simulation and how to fix it. I know how annoying it is when your program doesn't behave the way you want it to, especially when it comes to something as fundamental as key presses. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why is my program only generating lowercase letters when I want both uppercase and lowercase?" They provided a code example and mentioned that while symbols work fine, capital letters do not. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? The main problem lies in how key sims are mapped to key codes, especially when dealing with different keyboard layouts and modifier keys. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going wrong. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To address the issue with capital letters not being generated, the user should first ensure that the correct key sims are being used for both lowercase and uppercase letters. This involves checking the mapping of key sims to key codes. Next, the user should implement a method to simulate the pressing of the shift key before sending the key event for uppercase letters. This can be done by modifying the key event sequence. Additionally, the user should confirm that the keyboard layout is correctly set for their environment. This is crucial because different layouts can affect how key sims are interpreted. Finally, the user should test the implementation with various strings, including both uppercase and lowercase letters, to ensure that the key presses are being emitted correctly. Did you know? The first computer keyboards didn't even have a shift key. We've come a long way. But sometimes the basics can trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves modifying how key sims are sent to the X server. They suggest that when you send a single key sim for a letter, it automatically adjusts for upper and lower case based on shift and caps lock. To prevent this automatic adjustment, you should send two identical key sims for each key code. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always test your key press simulation with different keyboard layouts and ensure you're accounting for modifier keys. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, your program should now handle key presses correctly. Remember, understanding key sims and key codes is key to success. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus content on advanced key press simulation.